What's up guys, Stephanie with AmericanMuscle.com, and this is my review of this standard custom fit car cover for both the 2010 to 14 GT and V6 and 2010 to 12 GT 500 Mustang. This car cover is going to be for the Mustang owner that's looking for a well-crafted custom fit car cover but doesn't necessarily want a spring for a covercraft cover and doesn't need to have a logo on the front either. If you're shopping for a car cover, whether you have a garage or not, you're probably concerned with keeping your S197 as clean as possible. This cover is for indoor or outdoor use, but it's not your thin dust cover type of cover. It's actually a thicker, multi-layer cover that's made to protect from the elements like dust, UV rays, tree sap, and all of the harsh components that are out there in the wild or in your garage. One thing I like about this cover is the reinforced tie-down location, so you can really make sure this thing doesn't come off of the car if you're going to be using this outdoors and in extreme weather. If you take a look here, there's a felt cover that's going to keep the plastic from scratching your car when you put the cover on, which is a nice touch. Another thing I wanted to point out with this cover is that it really fits great without using any kind of tie-down. The fit is really snug and you don't have any excess fabric anywhere, and you can see right here that I'm tugging on this thing and it's not going anywhere, so I am impressed with that. If we compare this cover to other covers that are currently available on the site, this is the least expensive custom fit cover, costing right in between $100 and $200. The Covercraft custom covers are a touch more expensive, but they do have a little bit of ding protection built into them, so if that's something that you might want, then you can take a look at those too. This is definitely a heavier cover that feels like it's really good quality. I don't think this thing will have any trouble holding up outside in some pretty rough weather, and it's not going to rip or tear or deteriorate, and it's not the type of fabric that things like tree sap can get through. We don't really have an install per se here, since all you really have to do is just take this thing out and fit it over your car. Sometimes the heavier custom fit car covers can be a little bit difficult to get on the car, but if you just get your side mirrors in first, that usually holds the cover in place pretty well and makes things easier. And when you do want to remove the cover, it pretty much just folds right up into itself, so it's easy to store and put back on. Really, there are no surprises here, and this is easy and straightforward. So wrapping things up here, this is a custom fit car cover that has a great fit and quality. While it is a heavier type of fabric, it's made for indoor or outdoor use, and it's very durable. You can check this cover out more for yourself online, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.